welcome to the Fubinator channel. Fubinator, that would be me. Alright, today we're flying the E-Flite 90mm Viper, or Viper 90mm. We got a 6S 5000 in it. And let's go ahead and check control surfaces. Control surface is good. We're running it with the IX14 Plus. And we got a Afterburner kit installed in it.
Timer start.
So we'll see how it performs today. Got a little bit of a wind. Go ahead and deploy the takeoff flaps. And let's line up a little bit better than that, shall we? That's a little
Timer
better.
stop. Timer stop.
Alright, let's see here. The winds are dying down, so we should be alright. Alright, let's punch it and go.
Timer start.
Gear up.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Flaps up. There she is cruising. She gets up there quick. Definitely covers some ground in a hurry.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Just doing some lazy flying right now. And we'll just let her cruise on by real slow. We'll do another high-speed pass. I know everybody loves those. Alright, we'll deploy some flaps, deploy the landing gear, come around for a slow pass.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
And we'll hit full flaps.
Timer stop. Timer start.
What's it say? And she's a little nose heavy.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
And we'll bring her in again. We'll do one more of those.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Bring the gear down. Got half flaps right now. Just going to cruise right by.
One minute.
And we'll slow her down. We'll go full flaps. And that breeze and that wind is not helping.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. 30 seconds. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
Didn't even have to use reverse thrust on that one.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
And not bad. Did grass landing. That wind is blowing that flag hard. I should have landed from the other side.
Timer stop.
But that's the
Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
that is the Viper with the Afterburner kit in it. Nice lights on it.
Timer stop.
It's got some power. We was running a 6S 5000 in it at that time. So maybe next one we'll go ahead and throw the 6S 7000 in it.
Minute.
All right, let's drop those flaps.
Timer start. 30 seconds. Timer stop.
Yeah, much better than that.
Timer start.
Full reverse.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer start. Timer stop.
Alright. It's about din time for me. Hope everyone enjoyed it.
Timer stop.
That's it. That is the E-Flite Viper 90mm. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.